Hey everyone, the new PSSG update, version 1.19, is finally here, and it now fully supports Blender 5. For those of you dealing with a huge number of frames, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the override frame range. This lets you render much faster than trying to render everything in one go. Quick tip: don't forget to set your output file name before you start every time. Now, when you hit generate, you'll see a handy progress bar that shows you exactly how the process is going. And finally, we've added a cancel process button. So if you feel your settings were wrong or the process is just taking too long, you can stop it right away without crashing or having to quit Blender.